Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: gardening tips for seniors. Gardening is not only a wonderful outdoor activity but also a great way for seniors to stay active, engage with nature, and enjoy the therapeutic benefits of spending time in the garden. So, let's jump right into it. First things first, let's talk about the right tools. As a senior, it's important to choose tools that are lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to grip. Look for gardening tools with padded handles or those specifically designed for arthritis or joint pain. Next, let's discuss raised beds and container gardening. These are excellent options for seniors as they minimize the need for bending or kneeling. Raised beds can be built at a height that's comfortable for you, making it easier to tend to your plants without straining your back or knees. Now, let's move on to plant selection. Opt for low-maintenance plants that are suitable for your climate and require minimal care. Choose plants that are easy to grow, such as herbs, succulents, or perennial flowers. They can add beauty to your garden while being relatively easy to maintain. Pruning is an essential gardening task, but it can be daunting for some seniors. Remember to choose plants that don't require frequent pruning or opt for slower growing varieties. And if you need to prune, make sure to use the right tools and techniques to avoid strain or injury. Lastly, don't forget to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Gardening is a rewarding experience, and taking time to relax and appreciate your garden can be incredibly fulfilling. Create a cozy seating area, add bird feeders or a small fountain to attract wildlife, and make your garden a serene sanctuary. That wraps up our gardening tips for seniors. Remember, gardening is all about finding joy in the process and connecting with nature. So, get out there, get your hands dirty, and let your garden flourish. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more outdoor activities for seniors. Happy gardening!